Hello YouTube. Well, the diorama is finished. We have our tank, our guys, some animals, the house. Everything is finished. So I'll show you a couple things. This was all painted by airbrush. The tan is the AK paint. That is Hall Red. And this is just an intermediate green for the camouflage. I used the yellow long grass to make it look like hay thrown on top of the tank and all around it. And the rooftop is actually balsa wood underneath. And what I did was I cut all these little pieces off of this box and then placed them like you would a roof. So that took a lot of time. And it was a pain in the ass. And I don't know that I'll ever do that again. I probably will, but it's not as fun as what I thought it might be. These little flower bushes, they're from a pack that I got from Hobby Lobby. And let me bring it in a little bit closer. You can see the curtains inside the house. Turn this where you get a good look. The backside I didn't do anything with because I'm not going to have the backside showing anyways. So basically you have all these three guys looking at her and these two guys are looking up, and it makes you wonder, what are they looking at? I didn't put too many supplies on the tank because I wanted to make it look like it was close to the end of the war and their supplies are pretty much running out. Actually, these guys are probably looking up at maybe some Allied planes flying in. But that is it. I'm gonna take some pictures. There'll be some photos that you can look at, and actually I'll probably put it on before I talk, that way we can run music through with it. But hope you enjoyed this diorama. Try to turn it that way you can see everything. So I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't, thank a veteran, thank them for their service, and God bless.